In our business, great feedback is the best reward. When customers share the love, we just can't help ourselves from sharing it with everyone else. We work hard to please our customers, and we're proud of the job we do. It's always great to be recognized, especially when customers take the time to send a review online like this one.
Brian came to the house and was incredible. Very knowledgeable and professional. I highly recommend this company. And Brian.
We love our repeat customers, but we also love new customers, and we'd like that to be you. Give us a chance to show you what we can do. Call us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions, or let us know how we can serve you.